What does the future hold for girls? Anything she wants. Engineers, activists, advocates, leaders. A girl today can do anything, be anyone, fiercely pursue a future of her own.
My name is Rhonda, and I live in Brooklyn, New York. I was a Girl Scout. I am now a troop leader for 30 years.
My name is Anna Claire, and I live in Fort Smith, Arkansas, and I fight for voter rights.
My name is Madison, and I am an ambassador Girl Scout of Brooklyn, New York, Troop 2261. I am an advocate for mental health of Black adolescents.
Rhonda, Anna Claire, Madison, and millions like them are legacy in action. They're the legacy of women who dared to believe in a future where girls could have more, dared to go where no one else had before, to create opportunities for girls to be bold and brave.
I owe it to the women who came before me and understood the importance of supporting young girls in their efforts to enact change in the face of adversity.
So many strong women in Girl Scout history paved the way for our girls today, and because of them, girls have been empowered to make a lasting difference in the world.
The legacy of women in Girl Scouting has shaped me. I can't help but thank the determined and dedicated women of Scouting who have fought for me to wear this awesome vest and understand that my voice truly makes a difference.
These women who were audacious in a time when that was unthinkable, unacceptable, women who fought for equal rights, equal opportunity, inclusion, and belonging. These were the women who launched Girl Scouts of the USA. These were the women who ignited a legacy. A lot has changed since Girl Scouts started 110 years ago. In the early 1900s, women couldn't vote, didn't own their own business, weren't supposed to wear pants in public. But that didn't stop Juliette Gordon Low. In 1912, she launched her revolution, Girl Scouts of the USA. At a time when girls were expected to be quiet, passive, and careful, Juliette said, be curious, smart, fun, and above all, make a difference. From the beginning, the women leading Girl Scouts were risk takers and innovators. When society said girls can't camp, girls can't be pilots, girls can't change the world, Juliette and her team of trailblazers said, oh yes we can. Even the Girl Scout cookie has an innovative foundation. Faced with a lack of funds for activities, the first troop leaders had an idea: bake and sell cookies. It was a feat of female entrepreneurship that continues to be vital to the self-sufficiency of Girl Scouts today. From those early troops, the movement grew. More audacious women joined Juliette. And in an era of widespread ableism, segregation, racism, and misogyny, they created troops that made a space where every girl could belong. Their commitment to build the courage, confidence, and character of girls didn't just make Girl Scouts better, they made the world better. They were advocates for women's right to vote, leaders in civil rights and inclusion, and were, and continue to be, firsts in the U.S. These persuasive, persistent powerhouses blazed a trail. In the path they forged, more women and girls continue to flourish. Women like Rhonda, Madison, and Anna Claire, and the over 50 million Girl Scout alum who are making a difference and giving a new generation of Girl Scouts a future full of possibilities.